Good day! Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about single-digit multiplication. Multiplication is the process of combining equal groups to find the total number of items. Let's look at the number sentence. 4 times 2 equals 8. The number 4 here is what we call the multiplicand. It's a number multiplied by another number. The symbol that will you use here is times. The number 2 here is what we call the multiplier. Is a number with which to multiply. And the answer in multiplication is called product. Today, we are going to use pictures to do multiplication. In this video, we are going to solve multiplication using groups of and how many objects are there in its group. Now, let's get started. Let's write 5 times 3. That means we need to make 5 groups of 3 objects. Let's make 5 groups first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to put 3 hearts in its group. There has to be the same number in its group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, we have made 5 groups of 3 hearts in its group. To get the total number of hearts, we add the number of hearts. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. So, 5 times 3 equals 15. Another example, 2 times 4. That means we need to make 2 groups of 4 objects. Let's make 2 groups first. 1, 2. We are going to put 4 boxes in each group. There has to be the same number in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we have made 2 groups of 4 boxes in each group. To get the total number of boxes, we add the number of boxes. That is 4 plus 4. Equals 8. So, 2 times 4 equals 8. Another example, 4 times 6. That means we need to make 4 groups of 6 objects. Let's make 4 groups first. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to put 6 stars in each group. There has to be the same number in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we have made 4 groups of 6 stars in each group. To get the total number of stars, we add the number of stars. That is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. So, 4 times 6 equals 24. Let's answer this. Find the product. Number 1, 3 times 4. That means we need to make 3 groups of 4. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Number 2, 7 times 5. That means we need to make 7 groups of 5. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 35. So 7 times 5 equals 35. Number 3, 2 times 8. That means we need to make 2 groups of 8. That is 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 2 times 8 equals 16. Number 4, 9 times 3. That means we need to make 9 groups of 3. That is 3 plus 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 3 equals 27. 9 times 3 equals 27. Quiz time! Let's answer this. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Find the product. 2 times 5. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 10. Another. 6 times 3. Time's up. The answer is 18. 4 times 7. Time's up. The answer is 28. 1 times 8. Time's up. The answer is 8. 9 times 2. Time's up. The answer is 18. 0 times 3. times up, the answer is 0. 3 times 5, times up, the answer is 15. 6 times 7, times up, the answer is 42. 7 times 7, times up, the answer is 49. 9 times 8, times up, the answer is 72. 2 times 8, times up, the answer is 16. 4 times 4, times up, the answer is 16. 8 times 6, times up, the answer is 48. 7 times 1, times up, the answer is 7. 4 times 9, times up, the answer is 36. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about single digit multiplication. Thanks for watching.